mo ba papasok ka na bibigyan? May chance kaya? Ate Yani! How was it? How was the experience for him and also for you?
You know, honestly, nagulat ako sa kanya kasi I saw him last time. Tinanong ko sa kanya, buti nakagising ka ng maaga. Sabi niya, hirap na hirap daw siya. He stayed there for 3 days and I really watched BBB kasi talaga. And I was so surprised that he entered and he didn't tell me. I was like, why didn't you tell me? Nagulat nga ako. Sabi niya, I wanted it to be a surprise. So I was so shocked, pero sobrang funny and I love it.
Would you be willing to go back?
It's so nice. It's so nice that he was able to, you know, to share their hearts. I mean, inside the house. Yeah, it's so nice that pinasok siya doon. Kasi like, he would really give good energy.
Oh, and he met new friends, of course.
Yes.
And then, nakita mo ba, super, kasi parang super na-idolize din nila si Donnie, sila Shubi,
Yes.
meron mong girls. So, how do you feel about that?
Nakakatawa. Why not, right? It's Donnie Pangilinan. So yeah, nakakatawa. And it's so fun. And I love it. That's great.
Were you able to watch the episodes? Yung mga parang kilig na kilig yung mga girls.
I've been seeing on mostly on TikTok. Nagtatawa talaga ako. We were just laughing when he exited the house. I was able to meet up with them last time. We kept laughing. Tawa kami ng tawa. Sabi niya, what an experience. Parang nagkaroon siya ng plan. I think parang refresher. Hindi ko alam.
Okay, wala pa. One last question for me. Ongoing na ba yung shooting ng movie mo? Or papunta na ba
We
kayo?
are gonna start. Pwede ba sabihin natin pwede kailan mag-start yung movie shoot?
Next week? Alright, dito lang sa Philippines ang ano? Okay, kasi
Why not? Pwede naman sa ibang bansa.
oh, kasi you've been going to Korea. Parang I saw there's like a post of you from Korea. Parang you're going on a trip right now.
I went to Korea this time. Para before mag-start yung Korea, I wanted to take a trip myself. My friends are in Canada, so that's what we did. Ulit sa
Abangan ka namin sa PBB sana. Kabang-kaba. Alright, thank you.
Now, we saw you